Black. What's up, everybody? We are here. We are vaxxed. And we are relaxed. We got Josiah on the back. And guess where we're going today? Jesse at Bird Island. Is he coming with us too? So what do you think about today, Josh?
I think we're going to be in a good spot. I think we're going to catch some fishies.
The water looks like glass today.
It does, man. So,
hey, are you camera shy? Cat got your tongue?
Bird Island Basin right there.
Let's go out and get it, guys.
Part 2.
Go slow for dramatic effect. And that's a scene right there, guys. That's how you do it. Josiah and Matthew, how do you feel about whenever you get a little bit older? Are you gonna get vaxxed? So today, people, we're gonna be talking about vaxxed and unvaxxed. You know, you swine out there that aren't vaxxed.
It's like DX versus NWO. You know who's better.
Think we're gonna hurt some feelings with this?
Jesse, you better watch out, bro.
Jesse, we're coming after you. Unvaxxed. Wait, we're talking about this. We don't even got no mask on. Whoops.
Oh, where's my...
So today's segment is vaxxed and unvaxxed.
Unvaxxed. Vax.
We're at Bird Island. I'm gonna pretend right now that we got a drone, so it looks like we're getting drone footage. Soft bite. Dang, is he bottoming out over there? What? You hear it struggling?
Bunch of junk.
I think something's nibbling on it. Oh my god.
Little perch. Oh,
Wow.
is it a red?
No, that was a trout.
Daddy, I can see
A
all
little
the...
baby speckler.
Yep.
Daddy,
Big
I can see the fishes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
little trout.
That's not the one that we wanted, though.
We got keepers. Oh man, he ate this thing. Wow, look at where the hook's at.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yep.
Yeah, he's probably dead. Sorry, buddy.
That was his mom or dad that jumped up just a while ago.
Probably pissed off at me. Jesse got some shad on his.
Okay.
He's trying to score a big red, probably.
Shrimp still on it. They took your bait.
No, I knew something was on that.
Huh? All right, we'll try it. We'll try it again. Nice, man. Pretty good. You're good. You're good.
I saw something.
Yeah. There's definitely fish here, jumping. But we gotta wait. Be patient.
Got Jesse with the nice little 14-inch trout keeper. Take it home. No illegal activities here, huh? Let's go. The trout slayer. Red? Little baby red. Look at this guy, man. He's punking everybody now. Come on. Yay, mira.
Like 15, 16 inch.
Keeper again. Got a red.
Let's go.
They're hitting over here on popping corks. Right over here.
I took off point.
Good job, Jesse.
Come over here.
What are you doing over there? Just losing bait? Are you losing bait over there or what?
Looks like my brother got something. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Aaron has been quite lucky. Let's see what happens. What you got there, partner? Looks like a snake. Snake head.
That's a big ladyfish.
You kidding me?
I don't know, you bet you.
I just caught a ladyfish back there. It's a big red? All right, man. I'm here just walking around. Oh, doggy. Come on, Clark. All right, Clark. Nice.
Whoa.
Is it hooked on?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know if it's big enough.
What,
Well,
keeper?
Yeah, it's a keeper.
It looks like a keeper.
21, 22.
Whoa. I don't think it's on right.
Yeah.
You see, that gave me flashbacks because what happened to me with the black drum the other day. Embarrassing.
Oh man, this hook set's in there. Like swimwear. Oh man, where'd you find these dinosaurs at?
They were in the back of my truck.
Okay. It's like 2 parts of its mouth that it's hooked on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I saw him wake out right over there. And I told Jesse, I'm gonna get him.
Oh, you got him, Papa?
I got him. Now I gotta lick his butt.
Oh.
Now I gotta kiss the fish.
I thought he was really going to do that. Anything for the channel, brother.
All right, you want a red?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Oh, Jesse, you've been catching fish. Aaron been catching fish. I ain't catching anything, man.
Catch his hands, please.
Catch his hand. All right, Aaron. Yeah, that's a nice fish right there on that knotty stringer. Hey guys, it's actually a pretty good day over here at Bird Island Basin. My friend Jesse caught a couple of specks, and my brother actually caught a 24, 25 inch red. Fish are starting to bite even more right now, so hopefully we can catch some more before we leave today. A whole bunch of baby speckled trout out here. It's pretty cool. But we're looking for those monsters, man. Let's do it.
Look at this guy. Unvaxxed. Stay 6 feet away from me, Jesse.
That's the sound of a toolbox going down the stairs. Where does that come out from?
Home Alone.
You're right for $200.
Part 1.
Come on, Josiah. Let's go, Josiah.
I lost it.
You lost it?
Yep.
No. Oh, man. All right, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, look, it broke it, dude. Look.
Oh.
Look, pick it up, pick it up.
That means it was a monster.
Man, dude. Yep, it was. Yeah, it broke.
The hook.
Broke the hook, man. Man.
It was pulling hard or what?
Yep, it pulled hard. Oh my gosh. It's all right, Josiah. We'll get another one.
Okay. Oh no.
Lost it?
Dang.
Oh man. Try it again. What do you got? You got a fish?
Yep.
All right, let me see. Okay. All right, you don't have to pull it up that much anymore. Keep it down. Let's see what you got.
A ladyfish.
Yeah. Well,
You got a ladyfish.
All right.
Out to dinner.
Is it a keeper?
No, you don't want that kind of fish. But hey, you caught something cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Hey, good job. Hey guys, comment down below. Where is your favorite fishing spot in Corpus Christi, Texas, or in South Texas in general? Leave it down in the comments, guys. Let us know, and maybe we could do a video over there, or maybe there's a secret spot you might know of, and you might not want to tell the whole YouTube world. But hey, guys, you can send us a DM, and we could talk, and we promise not to share that secret spot. But guys, we just want to give you some good content. Hey, we may not be the best fishermen in the world, but hey, we're having fun, and that's what it's all about, having a good time, having fun.
That was probably the hardest hit I've ever felt.
That's what she said.
Oh my God, there's something monster around you, Jess.
No, it keeps hitting it. Going toward you.
Oh my baby, oh my God. You did?
No, I got it.
Yeah, you got him?
Speckle, maybe keeper.
Get the net, throw that crab out. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Is that your first speckle keeper?
Anything will be my first.
Throw the crab out, Got him?
Nice, dude. All right.
There's a keeper.
You can check it right here. Where's my line tied at?
So Josiah caught a blue crab. Check this out. Blue crab. Nice size right there. Good job, Josiah.
Can we
Good
just
job.
keep it in my hand? I don't want it pinching my toe.
It's gonna pinch you.
No.
All right. And we about to. Oh, okay. Don't lose that one. We're about to check with this knotty stringer.
Nice.
To see if this is a keeper trout.
Oh yeah, that's a keeper.
All right,
Sure.
man.
Right on the money.
I think it's a little short.
Yeah, that's a keeper. I can see it.
See the 15? Go from here to there.
Jesse, let's go, bud. I like that.
I don't even know why I'm getting into it.
I like.
You're used to catching the fish.
I'm used to catching.
Wow, that's good, dude. Love it. All right, guys, we had a great time today at Bird Island Basin, part 2. We didn't get to talk about the vacs. What happened?
Got caught up trying to grind on these fish. Literally the only fish I had was just the keeper.
Hey, but that was the highlight of, our fishing trip. Hey, shout out to Jesse for catching some fish. He caught his limit
Of about like five undersize. Nah, he caught one keeper
He
trout.
got one keeper trout. He had to go early, but we stayed there. We fished a little bit. We couldn't catch anything, but we all had a great time. Josiah, did you have a good time, buddy? Are you tired? No, you're lying to me. Anyways, hey guys, do us a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. We appreciate all the love and support that you've given us. And guys, be on the lookout. We're almost reaching 200 subscribers. I feel something's about to happen. Maybe a giveaway. We'll think about that. Think about it just for a little bit. All right, guys. Until next time, we shall see you later.
Stay vexed.